So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eye's pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild, the paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
呢條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
咬底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him, I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up. Kidding me?
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！
Fuck you. Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
我會一槍打爆你個頭，等你痛快啲。
縮手啊！幫手啊！
Damn, Wei! What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember? Fuck.
All right. You wanna be a tough guy?